Hi everyone, this is Richard with San Diego Cell Phone Repair. I have a Galaxy S6 with a cracked glass, so I'm going to fix just the glass by itself, so I don't have to do the whole expensive full LED plus glass replacement. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it right now. Galaxy S6, and this one is the gold color. Alright, let's get to it. See, everything works. Alright, first off, I got the back cover off. That's how the inside looks like. The back, there's a front, but. Alright, I took the inside frame out. Now you have all this. I'm going to take that apart. Okay, so I have the phone apart now. There's the motherboard, there's a little camera. Basically, what most likely will get changed in this phone for the lifetime of the phone is maybe screen, maybe probably a battery, but all these things are replaceable. Even the charging port is replaceable on this phone, and I can do it. So what I'm going to do next is take this and separate it away from this frame. Okay, so I finally got this thing separated off of this. Here's the frame. And at this point, like say if your glass was not even cracked, you just needed the charging port fixed. At this time, it'd be the point where you would replace this charging port. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this glass off of this LED frame, or the LED display. Okay, so I separated the glass from the LED display. As you can see, just only the glass. All this stuff is glue. See, look. But it just turns white once it separates. So what I'm going to do now is plug it into there and see how it works. And it's powering up, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Okay. Everything works perfectly. Why? Or how does it? The full touchscreen is the LED screen. As you see, this is just glass, right? There's no touch part that comes out of this. That's why you can do just glass only repair. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this up, clean all this stuff up. I'll be back. Piece of cake, right? Easier said than done. Alright, I got this thing all cleaned up. It's getting ready to have the glass fused back onto it. Glue is now applied, and the glass, which is over there, is going to go on top, like a sandwich. Okay, so the glass is on there now. See, like a sandwich? I just got to spread it around now, or spread it in the inside. Alright, it's all spread. Just have my fingerprints on top of the glass. Time to fuse it in there. Okay, so it's drying in this UV light chamber. That's how the glue dries. The UV light dries this glue. I'll leave it in there for a little while. Alright, so there it is. I just have to clean it up, but this thing is fused together. There's glue on the back, but I just have to clean that off. And I mean, the hard part's already done. I just have to finish this up. And by the way, I'm about 50 minutes into this repair right now. Alright. Got all the adhesive ready for this, and put this back together. Right now I'm about an hour into this. There's a lot of detail that goes into this. I'll probably put this phone back together. It'll probably take me about 5 minutes. Alright, finally done. Battery's running out on my phone, but check it out. Galaxy S6 gold color, glass only repair, done to perfection. And it's done here at San Diego Cell Phone Repair in Mission Valley, San Diego, next door to Hooters Restaurant, Mission Valley. Stop by, get your phone fixed, go to the bar next door at Hooters, come back, and your phone will look perfect like this. That's how you master a glass-only repair on this. Alright, see you guys later. Oh, visit the website, SanDiegoCellPhoneRepair.com, and the address here is right there. The Galaxy S7 is coming soon.